Paul Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe Originals. Today we are playing with the new Lowrider ST M8 Softail bike. And one of the things on this bike that we really felt needed attention is this fairing support, that lower fairing support that bolts on the front of the frame, and it's huge. It looks like a trailer hitch or something. I don't even know what they were thinking, why they made it so big and ugly and hideous, and then attach these big, huge mouse ear turn signals to it. So what we came up with is the Stealth fairing support bracket. See if you can see down in there, Phil, and show them how sleek it is. Just bolts to your tank mount, flips out to the fairing, super solid, no movement. Comes in two versions. It comes in one version that's just the Stealth fairing support bar, and it has plates where you can still run your mouse ear turn signals if you want to have those on there, or you can order it with our super sexy lightning bolt lights that are daytime running lights, and they go to amber signal. And when the signal cycle's done, it ceases and then goes back to being an always-on daytime running light. Super trick, super small, laser bright, Stealth fairing support bar. Check it online at baggernation.com. Thanks for watching.